Some consolidation was par for the course, and consolidation it was in today's trading session. A very quiet start, and quiet is how we remained. In fact, no jagged edges, just a very stable move is what you saw for the Nifty Futures today, closing in with just about an 8-point gain. So absolutely flat at that. 17,568 is the print that we've shut shop in today's trading session. Today was really all about news-based movers, and I'll come to that in just a bit. You had a good market breadth. That's where all the lively market action was, and you had 119 stocks go home as winners. So it was really all about the broader market price action today. But first, just a note on what the large caps were up to, because it's the old economy names which really made a comeback, and some of the beaten down auto names which actually re-emerged as a theme and saw some rebound coming in, as opposed to a quiet price action for the private banking names and some dips coming in there. So Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, even an Axis as well as SBI too closed in flat for itself with some negative moves coming in. What held out today was some of the technology names which powered ahead further. So TechM, for instance, held out by about 3.7% in today's trading session. Metals continue their rebound, so today was no different for a Hindalco, for a JSW Steel. Hindalco goes home with a 2.5% gain. I was talking about autos making a comeback. Tata Motors held out by about 3%. M&M flew high by about 2%. And then, of course, you had the likes of Coal India, BPCL, Grasim, Reliance Industries. These were also names which were providing the market an apt cushion on the upside, but private banks were the ones which held it at bay. Now to the broader markets. The day, of course, began by news of Zee signing a non-binding term sheet with Sony India. The fact they're headed in for a merger, and that Puneet Goenka stays as the CEO for a term of about 5 years. That was something that was taken well by the market. Zee goes home with a stupendous gain of a 30% uptake. 333 rupees per share is where Zee shut shop for the day. Not just that, you had some extremely positive commentary coming in on real estate as well. Another stamp duty cut for real estate players in Karnataka. Not just that, you also had news of Godrej Properties' latest project, that's Godrej Woods in Noida NCR, which has garnered excellent registrations for their phase 2 of the project, and that was welcomed well by the street. So be it Godrej Properties, which was the high flyer in today's trading session, held out by a 13.5%, or for that matter DLF, which closed in with an 11.25% gain. Most of these names were holding out very well. Even the Mumbai registration figures continue to hold high. For the month gone by, we've seen in excess of 6,000 units get sold, and that's really aiding, or further aiding, I should say, the buoyancy amidst the realty market. That said, some of the sour movers as well, an idea which lost about 4%, Interglobe Aviation, Metropolis, Godrej Consumer Products, and IGL as well, which was a laggard in today's trading session. Come tomorrow morning, of course, the global markets are going to be reacting to the FOMC meet, the 2-day meet, which concludes tonight. So that is something that we will definitely have to digest.